Okay guys, today I'm gonna show you this thingy-majig that I don't know, so let's go open it. Here you go. Whoa. It's a game. Cool. It's a game. It's a cool game. So it's like a bottle game or something like that. So I don't know what this one is, but it's cool. Wow, it's cool. So thank you for watching this show, and please subscribe to my show, my lovely. Welcome to my show because I like this show. So please subscribe and like it or bad it. You can come here and check me out here. I can give you some things to give you, and it's gonna be super nice and cool. So bye bye and have a final day.
How to ride the train.
And how to ride a train is really hard. So you need your parents. If you have one child, then you need to use it's very hard, and you need a car to use. A card, I mean, not a car. So that's how you ride the train. So thank you for watching. And have a final day.